Episode 4: Gold, Silver, Salt, and Food, the First Currency. A food universal language narrative. For thousands of years, food was the first currency. Before gold and silver, before coins and paper money, food itself was wealth. Grain, livestock, salt, and spices weren't just sustenance, they were power, trade, and survival. But food had a problem: it was seasonal, perishable, and hard to divide. And that's why money was born. In early civilizations, wheat and barley were currency. In Mesopotamia, workers were paid in grain, and temples stored massive reserves as wealth. Egyptian farmers paid taxes in wheat. The Chinese used rice as a unit of exchange. Food was money, but it was unreliable. Droughts, floods, and pests could wipe out wealth overnight. As societies grew, rulers needed a more stable store of value. Enter gold, silver, and salt. Unlike food, these didn't spoil. They were rare, durable, and easy to divide. Salt, in particular, was life itself. It preserved food, sustained armies, and became so valuable that it was used as a form of payment. In ancient Rome, soldiers were paid in salt, which is where we get the word salary. A well-fed army was a powerful one, and without salt, food would rot, armies would weaken, and empires could collapse. Controlling salt meant controlling survival. But even after metal money took over, food never stopped being a form of wealth. In medieval Europe, peppercorns were so valuable they were called black gold. Across Africa, cattle remained a sign of status, used for dowries and wealth storage. And what about today? Gold and silver still back economies. Governments still hold grain reserves. Food shortages send shockwaves through financial markets. And salt. It's still one of the most traded commodities in the world. The connection between food and money never disappeared, it just evolved. Because food isn't just nourishment. Food is wealth. Food is power. Food is money. And the story of money. It's just the story of food in a different form.